Have you ever wondered if music can save your life? In ancient Greece, the tale of Arion unfolds. A gifted musician whose lyre played melodies enchanting enough to charm even the fiercest of creatures, Arion traveled far and wide, winning competitions and earning riches. His fame, however, drew the jealousy of sailors on his ship, who plotted his demise, driven by greed. As they sailed home, they conspired to throw him overboard, eliminating the threat he posed to their fortunes. But Arion, sensing their treachery, made a desperate plea. He requested to sing one last song, a melody so beautiful that it melted the hearts of all who heard it. As he sang, the waters seemed to dance, and the skies listened, entranced by his lament. With a final note echoing in the waves, he leapt into the sea, certain his fate was sealed. Little did the conspirators know, his song summoned dolphins, known for their intelligence and compassion. In a miraculous moment, they appeared, surrounding Arion, lifting him from despair. These gentle creatures carried him to safety, defying the cruelty of men. Thus, Arion was saved, a testament that even in betrayal, hope can swim to the surface.